Whoa! There it is. Too bad it's winter. It's mostly in the shade, but it's still so beautiful. And the sand is so orange, it is. Those pictures were not lying. Wow. That is so much bigger than I thought. And it's so much oranger than I thought. I don't understand why that sand is so much oranger than any we've seen it otherwise. It's probably some sort of optical thing with it being down this pit. Wow. Wow. It looks even oranger on this camera, I can already tell. The color's better. It is cold in here. The wind is like swirling, which I think is part of how it formed, which I looked it up on the way and I'll talk about it in a minute, but I just can't believe this is real. It looks so unreal. So, it was kind of hard to find information about this place online because it's obviously way in the middle of nowhere. And a lot of people said you would need a rope to get onto the sand, but I'm looking here and pretty small ledge with some very defined handholds. I'm assuming from search and rescue putting those there after people have gotten stuck in here, and yeah, I'll be able to go down in there.